Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I made a video. Wanted to give you a quick update on what the week is going to look like, or what it could potentially look like. First off, I wanted to say welcome to all the new members to the Discord. Hope you guys learn something or make some money or something in here. Also, feel free to private message me if you guys have any questions at all because I am here to help. So I'm going to make this video pretty short and sweet. We got a few positions that we're holding right now. We got some NVIDIA, HCA, and Bank of America. Now, they're all bullish positions, meaning if the overall market goes up, these stocks are probably going to go up too, and hopefully we can make some money on them. So right now, the future market opened at 3 p.m. today on Sunday, and they're looking pretty good. The S&P's up just a little bit, 0.3%, but the real thing that caught my eye is the Russell 2000, which is more of the mid cap stock. So it's a lot of stocks mid cap and bank stocks, and it's a major index that you definitely want to keep an eye on. Sometimes it could even be a leading indicator on if the S&P 500s are going to start moving higher or not. So the Russell 2000 is looking like it's kind of at the bottom of a range here, so we could definitely get a move higher. I'm going to go ahead and put my after hours trading on real quick so I can see what it's kind of doing after hours. So after hours, we did hit this. You can see where I had the same zone without after hours. So we went into my, this was the target back here. This was our support to hold. We made it to the target. We kind of held the target. So now is this the final, are we going to break off and the IWM push even further into this 1500? So if I go ahead and draw this line up here at this 30 area or 1550, you're going to see here when I go into a daily that actually comes out perfectly to our point of control on a bigger time frame. So you can look at, and most of these indexes are going to look the same. So if we quickly, I'm just going to look at the ES on the same time frame as we were just looking at the Russell. So you'll notice the big drop, the push up, and then the consolidation downward. So back to the Russell, the big drop, push up, consolidation sideways, and the consolidation should lead to an expansion in one way or the other. And right now we are sitting at the bottom of its volume profile in the last year. This means that 70% of the volume actually took place in this whole area above, from here, from the all-time highs down to just above where we're sitting at now. So are we entering this new range where we then push up at least to the midpoint, which is this point of control 1550? If that happened, that's another 5 to 10% higher that we would move, and that would take all the markets up much higher, and that would actually make sense because a lot of stocks are breaking out into all-time highs, which is really quite amazing. Tesla, all-time highs. DocuSign, all-time highs. So Baba, almost at all-time highs. That's another one that we are definitely playing. And down the list, eBay, nonstop. Wow. Like eBay. Wow. Baidu, this thing is definitely ready to break out. Here's the yearly. Here's my support to hold. It's holding this support. Had the consolidation. Keep an eye out on Baidu as this thing might zoom. Not zoom, but Baidu might zoom higher into this point of control, and we don't want to miss this. We don't want to miss Baidu getting back up into this 175 area, which is completely possible considering where it is. So keep an eye on these crazy breakouts. Skyworks up, Google all-time highs almost there. So it would make sense. We have some stocks making all-time highs, some stocks that have room to hit all-time highs. So it would make sense that the market would keep going higher, even though it doesn't make sense at all that it's going to go higher, if that makes any sense. Anyways, so market's doing really well this Sunday Eve. Expect green on Monday unless things change, which that can totally happen in this market. But the signs have been pointing just to keep on riding that bull trend up. and that's what we're gonna do until we see otherwise. So I'll be in the Discord this week, and if you guys have questions, let me know. I'll be posting a lot of stuff, and make sure you guys pay attention, focus, and keep calm. Wait for opportunities to hit you. Don't try to rush anything, and let's do this.